Claudia, I am now in London, and where are you, girl?
I am here somewhere where the kings and queens are.
What do you mean, kings and queens? You mean like palaces? With guards that never blink?
Yup, exactly. The one near Victoria Station.
Ah, the Buckingham Palace then? But I'm at Harrods, at the Prada Cafe. Your favorite cake is here.
Sorry, darling. I just had tea with Her Royal Highness Kate Middleton and then Prince William. You know, just a normal Tuesday appointments.
All right then, I'll come there with you. Hello, gorgeousness. And hello, world. I'm officially back from my little hiatus. And trust me, I've missed you. I can't wait to sprinkle some sparkle on your day with quick, snappy sewing tricks and design magic. Let's make fabulous happen. Are you ready to sew? Let's do it. We definitely need black lace, and I've got just the one. I picked it up at a little market shop in Zurich, and I'm obsessed. It's sheer, delicately see-through, with the most gorgeous vintage-style embroidery. Honestly, it's perfect for creating inner pieces like dress forms, lingerie, or anything that needs that touch of elegance with a hint of mystery. This pleated leopard print is absolutely divine. What do you think? I love that it's stretchy. You can instantly turn it into a chic midi skirt or a playful mini. Which one would you rock? Drop your pick in the comments below. Claudia is the perfect muse for this project. Stunning features, flawless presence, and the kind of face that can carry both delicate lace and a bold leopard print pleated skirt. She's pure runway material. By the way, she is now available on our website, so grab yours now. So now I managed to cut how much fabrics I am using to create Claudia's outfit. Our lace is around 17 cm long, about 3.5 curvy lines. That's the perfect size to keep our doll covered and looking super stylish. I paired this lace with some fierce leopard pleats, giving full Dolce & Gabbana energy. What do you think, gorgeous? Is it a total yes or a fashion miss? Let me know in the comments. First up, we're transforming this lace into a stunning top. I'm torn between a chic bustier look or a dreamy lingerie-inspired loose fit. Both are totally giving fashion magic. Now I fold the lace in half just like this. I sew the back together, but leave a little opening at the top. That way, the doll can wear it easily without any struggle. Fashion meets function, isn't it? Before I sew it all up, I need to pick the right thread. I'm using black this time, so it blends perfectly with the lace. Matchy-matchy and stylish. Details matters in fashion, my dear. Yes, this turned out stunning. I'm so happy I chose the lingerie-inspired look. It's soft, elegant, and totally high fashion chic. At this opening, I'll attach sleek metal clasps for the closure. Practical and chic, making doll dressing effortless and elegant. Hand sewing is kind of like magic for me. It's so relaxing. Putting on these little metal clasps helps me concentrate. Do you feel the same? Comment below. At last, the metal clasps are attached. They merge seamlessly with the fabric, clean, chic, and totally on point. This piece turned out stunning. That heart-shaped contour clearly marks the front. Total elegance, right? I've cut this delicate lace into 6 cm lengths to make the top straps. A flawless match for the whole look. They're just perfect here on this corner. Wow, isn't this top absolutely darling? I can't stop admiring it. A human-sized version is definitely on my mind, but first, let's perfect this mini masterpiece. This is the pleated skirt, with a delicate lace stitched along the upper edge to reinforce the waistline. Stylish and perfectly structured. I have also sewn the backside and attached the metal clasp. This is how it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? And what do you think? Oh wow, this is absolutely fabulous. I'm loving how this idea came together. What do you think, gorgeousness? Comment below. The lace and leopard print mix is giving pure luxury. Bold, chic, and totally stylish. Let's hear what Claudia has to say next. Superstarr on our London adventure. Let's see what Claudia and I did in this amazing city. Which adventure pics do you like best? Don't forget to comment below. And subscribe, please. Thanks, gorgeousness. Until next time. Bye.
Wow, what a wonderful time we've had together today, gorgeousness. Thank you for staying with us on this fun filled with heartwarming stories and fantastic crafts. We hope you've enjoyed every moment as much as we have, from crafting our own little masterpieces to diving into captivating tales. It's been an absolute joy sharing this time with you. Before you go, we have a little favor to ask. Could you please sprinkle some love our way by giving us a thumbs up, sharing the fun with your friends, and subscribing to our channel? That way, you'll always be the first to know about our latest stories and crafty creations. The excitement doesn't stop here. Be sure to stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll have even more enchanting stories and DIY adventures waiting just for you. So keep that smile shining bright, stay as gorgeous as ever, and until next time, bye for now.